Introducing the Epoch Dual Fuel Steam Boiler System, which can be added to new or existing steam boilers to optimize your system's performance. Traditional boilers burn gas or oil to heat water producing steam. Using Epoch Oxy-Hydrogen gas as a dual fuel supplement, burning efficiency is increased, which can help eliminate black smoke. But Epoch Oxy-Hydrogen generators will significantly improve combustion efficiency. The dual fuel steam boiler system process is simple and easy. Start the Oxy-Hydrogen generator system. Turn on the gas production. Epoch Oxy-Hydrogen generators electrolyze water into oxygen and hydrogen gases and supply them on demand to steam boilers to assist your current fuel to improve burning efficiency. The Oxy-Hydrogen fuel mixes with your existing fuel inside the burner. Epoch's dual fuel system gives you more complete combustion and greater efficiency. Your traditional fuel consumption and CO2 emissions are reduced by 20%. The Epoch Dual Fuel Steam Boiler System is your best choice for energy savings and carbon reduction. Water, fuel, and energy solutions. Brought to you by Epoch.